In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. If your keyboard lacks suggestion strip at the top, don't worry, it's actually pretty common. To enable it though, you need to find text correction options, which are kind of difficult to locate. But don't worry, I found them before recording this video and I can show you step by step exactly how to get to them. Firstly, go into Settings. Then scroll all the way down to hit System and Update. Now select Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and finally Gboard. Following that, you need to hit Text Correction and use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I go back, as you can see, my suggestion strip was successfully enabled. On top of that, with suggestion strip on, you can click on this gear and access text correction settings in seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!